8 vegetables to start before spring. As winter fades and the days begin to lengthen, it's the perfect time to get a head start on your garden. Many vegetables thrive when planted early, giving you stronger plants and a longer growing season. By starting your crops before spring, whether indoors, in a greenhouse, or directly in the garden, you'll set yourself up for an abundant harvest. Here are 8 vegetables that love cool weather and can be started before spring for the best results. Number 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is a fast-growing, cool season crop that thrives when planted early. Start seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost for a quicker harvest, or direct sow in early spring. Try varieties like buttercrunch, romaine, or red leaf for fresh salads throughout the season. Tip: lettuce prefers partial shade as temperatures rise, so plant it in a spot that gets some afternoon shade. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach loves the cold and actually becomes sweeter when exposed to light frost. Sow seeds directly in the garden as soon as the soil is workable, usually 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Best varieties: Bloomsdale, baby leaf, or giant winter spinach. Tip: keep the soil consistently moist and plant every few weeks for a continuous harvest. Number 3. Peas. Peas are one of the best crops to start early. They thrive in cool weather and can be direct sown 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. They don't mind a little frost and will reward you with sweet, crisp pods in early summer. Great choices: sugar snap, snow peas, or English shelling peas. Tip: provide a trellis or stakes for climbing varieties to maximize space. Number 4. Kale. Kale is a cold, hardy green that actually tastes better after frost. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or direct sow in early spring. Recommended varieties: lacinato, dinosaur kale, red Russian, or winter boar. Tip: harvest outer leaves first and let the inner leaves keep growing for a continuous harvest. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots thrive in cool soil and should be direct sown 3 to 5 weeks before the last frost. The key to success is loose, sandy soil to help them grow straight and long. Popular varieties: Nantes, Danvers, and rainbow carrots. Tip: keep the soil moist but not soggy during germination, as carrots can take up to 2 to 3 weeks to sprout. Number 6. Onions. Onions are one of the first crops to plant in the year. Start from seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost, or plant onion sets directly in early spring. Best types: Walla Walla, sweet onions, red Creole, red onions, and yellow Spanish. Tip: onions need full sun and well-drained soil to develop big, healthy bulbs. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli grows best in cool temperatures and should be started indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Transplant outdoors when the weather is still cool to avoid bolting. Top varieties: Calabrese, Waltham 29, or purple sprouting broccoli. Tip: use floating row covers to protect young plants from pests like cabbage worms. Number 8. Radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables and thrive in cool weather. You can direct sow them in early spring and they'll be ready to harvest in as little as 25 to 30 days. Great choices: cherry bell, French breakfast, and Easter egg radishes. Tip: radishes grow best in loose soil and need consistent watering for the best flavor. Thanks for learning about the best vegetables to start before spring. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow gardeners who are getting a head start on their planting season. What are you growing this year? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your garden plans. And if you want to expand your indoor gardening skills, check out our next video on 12 herbs you can grow in water. Until next time, life is better when you garden.